Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the best design tips and tricks using Canva. If you're in the fashion industry or just love styling, today's video is for you. We're going to create a stunning fashion lookbook using Canva. This is perfect for showcasing your latest collection or just organizing your favorite outfits. Let's jump right in. Start with a stylish template. First, open Canva and type Lookbook in the search bar. Canva has a variety of sleek and modern templates that are perfect for fashion lookbooks. Choose one that matches your style, whether it's minimalistic, bold, or elegant. This will give you a great starting point. Customize the cover page. Let's begin with the cover page. Replace the placeholder text with your lookbook's title, something catchy like Urban Chic Styles. Add a striking image that represents the overall theme of your lookbook. Canva's photo library has tons of fashion-related images, or you can upload your own. Keep the design clean and stylish to make a strong first impression. Design the inner pages. Next, we'll move on to the inner pages. This is where you'll showcase your fashion pieces. Start by organizing your content into sections, like daywear, evening looks, or accessories. Use high-quality images for each look and arrange them in a visually appealing way. Canva's drag-and-drop feature makes it easy to create balanced layouts. Add short descriptions or styling tips next to each image, using elegant fonts that match your brand. Add interactive elements. To make your lookbook more engaging, consider adding interactive elements. Canva allows you to embed clickable links within your PDF, so you can direct readers to your online store or social media pages. You can also add text overlays on images with details like fabric types, pricing, or styling notes. These little touches can enhance the reader's experience and make your lookbook more informative. Final review and export. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your entire lookbook. Make sure all the fonts, colors, and layouts are consistent. This consistency is key to creating a professional and polished look. Once you're satisfied, download your lookbook as a PDF. Canva also offers options to share it directly online or print it out. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! You've just created a stunning fashion lookbook using Canva. Whether you're a designer, a stylist, or just love fashion, this lookbook will help you showcase your style in a way that's both beautiful and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.